Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making this amazingly delicious Guyanese hot cross buns. So it's Sunday morning and my son was like, he really needs this. He's been asking it for a week. So let's jump right into this video. So I'm using coconut milk and water, of course. Brown sugar, and everything that I'm using here, the spices, the ingredients will be in the description box. We're gonna whisk everything together, and if you guys want that whisk, I'll leave the link to the site that I did a review for in the description box as well. The entire set is just absolutely amazing. It is durable, so I know you guys are going to love it. So you're gonna add your butter, yeast, and your flour. But guess what, guys? What did I forget to add here? I forgot the raisins. I mean, it's optional, but I love to add raisins in my hot cross buns. And I pulse that to make it really nice and fine before I add it to the mixture. You can also use a mixer to do this process. Knead it into a nice dough, place it in a bowl, add some butter until it doubles in sizes. It is ready. So upturn this onto a clean work surface. Make sure to flour your surface. Cut this into your desired sizes, right, or equal parts, however you want your cross buns to look. And you are going to form these little dough balls. Place it in your baking pan. I'm using my Pyrex dish. And you're gonna let this sit for a good 30-35 minutes. When it looks nice and plump, you will mix your flour and water. Not too liquidy, you want a nice consistency. For that, well, I use a Ziplock bag. I cut the tip. And I'm going to make the cross on the buns right here. Awesome. And then I looked at it and I thought, what else can I add? Alright, so I did add some cherries. I mean, it was an afterthought, but hey, you can omit the cherries, guys. You can bake as is. You can add the cherries only, or you can have both. I mean, do whatever pleases you, okay? Looks amazing. Voila, looks great. And you're gonna bake in a 375 degrees oven for about 40 minutes. And you're going to add some butter right over the top. Mix your sling with sugar water and brush that as well. So hope you guys find this video interesting. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share.